Okay, so the third video in our series is looking at the intermediate courts of appeal level. So as we work our way up our chart, you'll see the Court of Appeals, 14 courts, 80 justices, regional jurisdiction. Many states, except for about 11 in the District of Columbia, have established this intermediate courts of appeal level to manage and review the caseload before the top level, the state Supreme Court or the court of last resort. This becomes like a filtering system. These became necessary in the early 1900s. Some states like Alabama, Tennessee, Texas have separate appellate courts for civil and criminal cases. We'll talk more about that in the next video. Judges in this level are generally appointed by the governor based on nominations or commissions. In states like Texas, we generally elect judges. There is a couple of other videos out there of judge selection method. So that's a state-by-state determination. The salaries are starting to get higher than in the general trial court judges. Here, the median salary in the United States is about $140,000, close to $141,000 in 2012. California's appellate judges were paid the most at $204,000, while Mississippi's received the least at $105,000. So you can see here, intermediate appeals, they're hearing mandatory appeals from the trials in their respective courts of appeals district. So each court of appeals has a region based on county, and they would hear all the criminal cases, appeals coming from those cases. And then you can see cases will leave that and go to the fourth and final court, which is what we'll talk about in the next video.